They say you can't have it all. But that's not true. Wait till you see Southampton's Royal Crescent Road SO19 student accommodation, which offers everything a student could possibly ask for and way more. Featuring a stunning range of 1- and 2-bedroom ensuite apartments meticulously designed to provide you with a curated furniture package. Each apartment comes complete with a comfortable bed, plush sofa, dining room table, and even your very own private balcony to soak in the Southampton vibes. Want to socialize? Make yourself at home in the resident lounge or the communal space. And when you need to break a sweat or find your inner zen, head straight to the well-equipped gym or the tranquil yoga studio. And if the academic grind is calling, the property's co-working space is your haven. Could it get any better than this? Well, yes. The property is pet-friendly, making it possible for your furry friends to tag along. Moreover, Southampton Solent University is just a 6-minute drive away, ensuring you're never far from your studies. And when wanderlust strikes, the nearby Itchen Bridge West bus station is your gateway to explore Southampton and beyond. For foodies, Baccaro and the Jenny are a mere 5-minute walk from the property. So, are you ready to experience a wholesome stay at Southampton? Head over to amberstudent.com to unlock the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury.